Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it's day 2 of my November 2023 tag a day. Um, I, I still just get so excited about making these tags. So let's get right to it. Today I used some not too shabby glitter dots. This particular set is no longer available, but they do have some other ones. For my tag dies, I used the Scrappy Boy Stitched Romantic Tags die set. I think they're just such a fun shape. Yeah. But we all know I love tags. I love tag dies. I'm also really impressed. I just got this die set from Scrappy Boy. It's their Stitched Circle Nesting dies. And I love how many different sizes there are in this set. I think that, I do have some other circle sets, but I loved how many there were and how they all stack, and you can make frames and everything, so I'm excited about that. And then I used the Scrappy Boy Stamps Day of the Dead paper pack. I never used to really know much about the Day of the Dead until we lived in El Paso. We were stationed there for several years. And I love that culture, and I learned a little bit about it then, and I thought it was really neat. And then I watched the Disney movie Coco, and I really, really like the idea. So then I did a little bit of Googling to find out what it really is, but it's just to celebrate those who have left us. They believe that their souls come back for that day, and you can celebrate them. And I just thought that is so amazing. And I love the bright colors, the sugar skulls. I really, really like it. And so I was super excited to get this. And I was even more excited that it came in time because the Day of the Dead is November 1st and 2nd. So I'm actually on time with it for once. And then I used the Cute Girls Day of the Dead stamp set. I only made one tag today, but I can't wait to revisit this stamp set and make more. I had a lot more fun with it than I thought I would. So yes. And so here is my tag for today. I love, love, love how it turned out. There's that paper, of course, the tag die. I colored her up, and then I thought it needed something, so I added some stickles. Oh, I did have that out. Sorry, reaching across. I used the Twinkle stickles. It's got like a blue undertone, so I like that. But anyways, back to this. So I used that around there. There's those glitter dots, and then I put some stickles like on her flowers, the heart, and then the flowers of the dress. So it's really sparkly, and I thought it just kind of added to it. And then again, cardstock on the back, and you can see it was late at night when I was finishing this card because I stamped my stamp upside down, but it's all good. We'll go with it. And then just some ribbon to tie it off. But again, I really like how it turned out. I can't wait to use this stamp set some more. And I am going to continue to research this the Day of the Dead because it just really appeals to me, and I'd like to know more about it. But anyways, there is my tag for day 2. I will be back here again tomorrow with my next tag, and I think that I will be putting up a post in the next couple days on my community tab to let you help me pick which tag die to use in future videos. I'm hoping to use most of all of the ones that I have, but we'll see. Anyways, that's what I've got today. I'll be back tomorrow. Until then, go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.